Sitting here bored, out of my mind, trying to feel a life I can't find. When I turn on a song, reach for the sky, spotlights on stage in my eyes. I brought my guitar, the one in the air, jammed as I sang to a large group of bears, but thinking that they are a bunch of fans, waving their hands in the air. When the music takes over, I stand up tall. I feel excited, and I am not gonna fall. Hear the music in my soul, and oh, I feel whole. When the music takes over, everyone say whoa. Watching the fans swirl around and around while listening to my favorite sounds. Standing up and dancing around, jumping up onto the ground. I had a bad day with tears on my cheeks. Sometimes I feel like I'm just a freak. Turn on the music, there's no tomorrow. Feels like I'm losing control. When the music takes over, I stand up tall. I feel excited, and I am not gonna fall. Hear the music in my soul, and oh, I feel whole. When the music takes over, everyone say whoa. I am the star of the show, standing up while singing so low. When the music takes over, I stand up tall.